Hey, what's up guys? It's Mofo Driver. I bought this 1/2-inch electric impact wrench from Harbor Freight about 10 days ago. It's a Chicago Electric, and I only paid $45 for it. It's just a little bit heavier than what I like, but it doesn't really bother me. The trigger has the forward button on the bottom and reverse on the top. I also got this click type torque wrench for like 15 bucks. It's a Pittsburgh. I've used this a few times and so far I have no issues with it, and I would recommend it. And the torque wrench as well. Seems to be a very good tool. I'm still having some issues with the Dart concerning the shift linkage, but I have a friend who is a pretty good mechanic, and he looked at it and he said there's nothing wrong with the linkage up underneath the car. He said it all works properly. According to him, it's something in the shifting column right there behind the steering wheel. So as soon as he gets a chance and can come back over, we're gonna get into it and try to get it fixed. But that's all I got for today, guys. Until next time, you guys take it easy.